Setting a budget for your Facebook ad campaign involves determining how much you're willing to spend to achieve your advertising goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set a budget for your Facebook ad campaign. 1. Define your advertising goals. Clearly define the objectives of your Facebook ad campaign. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or making sales, your goals will influence your budget decisions. 2. Understand your target audience. Have a clear understanding of your target audience and their behavior on Facebook. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions about how much you need to spend to reach and engage your desired audience. 3. Determine the type of campaign. Different campaign objectives may require different budget considerations. For example, awareness objectives, these may have lower budgets as the goal is to reach a broad audience. Consideration objectives, these campaigns, such as traffic or engagement, might have moderate budgets. Conversion objectives, campaigns focused on conversions, purchases, sign-ups, may require higher budgets to gather sufficient data for optimization. 4. Consider the size of your audience. The size and competitiveness of your target audience can impact costs. Smaller, more niche audiences may require a smaller budget, while larger and more competitive audiences may necessitate a higher budget. 5. Understand the auction system. Facebook uses an auction system to determine ad placement. Your bid, combined with your budget, influences how often your ad is shown. Understanding the auction dynamics is crucial for effective budgeting. 6. Determine a daily or lifetime budget. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget, the maximum amount you're willing to spend per day, or a lifetime budget, the maximum amount you're willing to spend over the entire campaign. 7. Consider ad duration. Determine the duration of your ad campaign. If you're running a short-term promotion or event, you might set a specific end date. For ongoing campaigns, consider setting a recurring daily or lifetime budget. 8. Calculate your ideal cost per result. If your campaign objective is to drive conversions, calculate your ideal cost per conversion based on your business goals. This can help you set a budget that aligns with your desired results. 9. Start with testing and scaling. If you're unsure about the optimal budget, consider starting with a smaller budget for testing purposes. Monitor the performance and gradually scale up the budget as you gather data and optimize your campaign. 10. Monitor industry benchmarks. Research industry benchmarks for advertising costs on Facebook. This can provide insights into typical costs for your specific objectives and industry. 11. Use Facebook's budget optimization feature. Consider using Facebook's budget optimization feature, which automatically distributes your budget across different ad sets to maximize results. This is particularly useful if you have multiple ad sets targeting different audiences. 12. Regularly review and adjust. Regularly review the performance of your ads in Facebook Ads Manager. If your budget is not delivering the desired results, be prepared to make adjustments based on the insights gained. 13. Factor in testing and learning. Allocate a portion of your budget for testing different creatives, audiences, and ad formats. This allows you to gather valuable insights and refine your strategy over time. 14. Consider seasonal trends. Be mindful of any seasonal trends or events that may impact ad costs or audience behavior. Adjust your budget accordingly during peak times. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to setting a Facebook ad budget. It's an iterative process that requires ongoing monitoring and adjustment based on performance data. Experiment with different budget levels and strategies to find the optimal balance for your specific advertising goals. So that's it. See you in the next videos.